Yeah, good day everyone. I go by name Skyward. You can see this video. I am an affiliate marketing coach and I train people on how to make money online. Yeah, presently I'm still teaching people on how to make money on Clickbank, and so as you can see, this is really giving me great sales. So to earn big money like this, contact me on my Gmail at skyward.gmail.com. But first, watch my video to see what I have for you. Thank you.
Yeah, good day everyone. I go by the name Skyward. Welcome to my channel. If you are seeing this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to make money online. Yes, in this video you'll be learning how you can make thousands of dollars online weekly from Clickbank affiliate marketing. Yes, as you all know that affiliate marketing is just selling a product for a company and getting commission for each product to sell. Commission, I mean the percentage from the price of what you sold. And yeah, we'll be working with Clickbank in this video. As you can see, this is excellent result. This is the account of one of my students that got my software and video course and is doing fine. As you can see the result of the screen, it's an excellent result. So the secret behind this video or this result is what I want to tell you. Yes, for you to become a successful affiliate marketer, there are things you need to consider. One of it is that you need a strong backup for your traffic system. Yes, traffic system, I mean people that are going to be accessing your products and link that are going to be purchasing the product. So the higher the traffic, the higher the possibility of them buying the product. And another thing you need to consider is targeted traffic, which is how what I'm going to be explaining, how I'm using targeted traffic to get the result you can see on the screen. Yes, as an affiliate marketer, I'm also a software developer and I've developed several software, and in this video the software that has been giving me this result which you are seeing on the screen is what is up for sale now. Yes, the software works by gathering more than 2,000 organic traffics daily online from digital platforms and promoting your affiliate link or product to these organic leads for you to get commission and results like the one you can see on the screen. So to get my software and video course, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen to get more details about the software and how to go about it. Also, if you are getting my software, I have a video course which I have recorded, a complete video course which will take you step by step on how to use the software on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Yes, because the software is not only applicable to Clickbank alone, but you can use it on other affiliate marketing platforms like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Shopify, and the likes. So contact me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen now to get my software and video course and start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Once again, I go by the name Skyward and I train people on how to make money online. Thank you.